All right, so we got Damion Jigalov here from Chicago, currently racing in Italy with the VR46 team, which is awesome with CIV. We got some other younger American riders here, hoping to follow suit one day. So Damion, I was hoping maybe you can share with us how did you get to where you are right now? Where did you start riding and all that kind of stuff?
Well, I started riding when I was 4 years old on a small PW50. And ever since I was small, I just kept improving. And the biggest thing you need to, in order to succeed is you really need to have that passion. You really need to want it. A big part of it is just having fun with the work, and that's a really big part of it. I got into it because of my dad. My dad used to ride, and I started out on an NSR 50. I started racing on that. Then I moved up to a 125, and Damion actually hooked up for me to race in Europe, and that's when I got fifth. Ever since then, I've been training really, really hard at the gym with mini bikes and stuff like that.
Cool. Guys, do you guys have, maybe we can get like 3 questions for Damion. So he's racing in Italy with Valentino Rossi's youth team. Do you guys have any particular questions and what it's like? You got one? What's your question? You have a question? Ask him.
How hard was it to get into that club? It was really difficult. Really, it's all about hard work and training. And really, when you go over to Europe, what I had to do is I knew that I had to have a good first result. And after I got the 5th place, everyone was surprised. And so after that, as you work harder and harder, that it'll be easier to be able to make it.
Awesome. All right, hold on one sec. Rossi, what's up, dude?
For you, Damion. How are the tracks there? Like, how is the bikes? How do they feel? How's the tracks?
The tracks are really beautiful. The biggest difference is they take it so much more seriously. And the tracks are really smooth because they take care of them. While here, maybe they repave the tracks every 15 years or so. There, they maybe repave every 5 years just to get it so that it's still sticky.
Yeah.
And the bikes are really nice because pretty much everything's adjustable. And the setup is so important over there that's why the bikes handle so well, because the setups are so good.
Yeah.
Got it. All right, let's do one more question. What's up, dude?
What is it like racing with Valentino Rossi team? Like, how do they? It's a really cool experience having all the mechanics and top line mechanics and engineers and guys like that. It's really, really cool.
Awesome. All right, guys, let's get one picture with everybody. Dude.